Hello and welcome to another episode of latest update. The topic of discussion is President's rule imposed in Manipur. The Lok Sabha adopted a statutory resolution confirming the imposition of President's rule in Manipur. This decision followed ongoing ethnic violence in the state, which has caused significant loss of life and displacement. Members across party lines supported the resolution but criticized the government for the situation in the state. Union Home Minister addressed the House, assuring that efforts were being made to restore peace in Manipur, including talks with the Meitei and Kuki communities. Drishti IAS Noida Center, the offline batches admissions are open for IAS GS Foundation course covering both prelims and mains. The English medium batch is starting from 8th of April, while admissions are open for the Hindi medium batch. For more information, give us the call at 87501 87501. Details of the crisis in Manipur. The violence in Manipur began in May 2023 following a High Court order and has resulted in the deaths of 260 people, with the majority of casualties occurring within the first month. The conflict has been primarily between the Meitei and Kuki communities, with a history of ethnic tensions, including similar clashes in the 1990s. The minister defended the actions of the government, highlighting the quick deployment of central forces and the ongoing efforts to resolve the crisis. Government's measures and challenges. Union Home Minister outlined the government's efforts to restore peace, including the engagement of both communities and the deployment of central forces. However, the situation remains tense, with many displaced individuals residing in camps, and the minister did not consider the situation fully satisfactory until stability is restored. Efforts to bring varying communities to the negotiating table have been ongoing but are yet to achieve a lasting resolution. Now it's time for the practice question. Which communities are primarily involved in ethnic violence in Manipur? Meitei and Kuki, Meitei and Naga, Kuki and Pangal, or Kuki and Naga? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.